Hello guys, my name is Marcus Pobi and I'm back again with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a colorful contrast. This is very simple, so without any further ado, let's get straight to it. We first off start with creating a hue and saturation. This is basically it, so you change the blend mode to color burn. Color burn. Yeah, I know it looks like in a mess, so don't drag the opacity down because it makes it look flat. We drag the fill down. Too much. Bring it to say 9. 9 is good. Then we create another hue and saturation. With this, we change the blend mode to color dodge. I hope you're getting color burn and color dodge. Yeah, listen to this. What is this? So we change the fill. I said, okay, 10ish. It's good. Then now we play with the saturation over here. Bring it all the way down and bring all the way down to this. That's simple. This is it. So let's see the before and the after. So before, after, before, after. Let's try a different picture. So once again, we create this hue and saturation. Bring the fill down. So 10. Do this 10. Change the blend mode to color burn. Hue and saturation. Change the color. Color dodge. 10. That's fine. Bring it all the way down. Bring it all the way down. So let's see the before and after. Before and after. Before and after. So this is pretty much it, guys. So if you want me to make more of these videos, comment below, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.